Hi, I'm Susanna from the yoga, and today we're going to do some Christmas yoga so that you feel calm, happy and Christmassy. It's really important when you're doing yoga, it needs to feel good all of the time, and your breathing should be calm and even. If it's not calm and even, make the pose easier or have a rest. Are you ready to have some Christmas fun with me? Snowball pose in all fours. Start in all fours. Get nice and comfortable. Arch your back up towards the ceiling and then bring your back down to neutral again. Breathe out and arch your back up towards the ceiling. Imagine that you're growing into a giant rounded snowball. Move back and forth, enjoying the movements of your spine. Move smoothly, arching up and then down. Breathe in as you look up and imagining holding the snowball on the arch of your back. Come back to all fours in neutral and rest. Elf pose, squatting. From all fours, slide your hips back. If it's comfortable, lift one knee up and then the other one. Try it a couple of times, sliding your hips back and forth and lifting a knee. Next time, as you slide your hips back, see if both knees can come off the floor for a moment. If that feels good, slide your hips back, let your knees come off the floor and walk your hands onto your legs to come into a squatting position. If this isn't comfortable, choose a different position. Pretend that you're an elf, making a nice toy. What will you make? And who is it for? Walk your hands back onto the floor and back into all fours. Stretch one leg all the way out behind, so your leg is straight and press into your heel. And now the other leg. Well done. We're going to do Santa going down the chimney now. Elbow dog pose. Start in all fours and take your elbows down onto the ground so they're directly under your shoulders and slightly narrower. Make your forearms parallel and spread your palms down so your elbow to your hand is strong on the floor. Press down through your elbows and your feet to straighten your legs and lift your hips. Imagine you are diving down the chimney upside down in order to take lots of presents to all the children in the house. Take a breath or two, then bend your knees and come down gently and rest back with your head on the ground. Candy cane pose from Cobra. Slide yourself out onto your tummy. Rest your head and your hips down. Take a breath and then place your hands directly underneath your shoulders. Breathe in, feel your tummy expand and then press gently into your hands to lift your chest and heart. Relax your shoulders down and curve your back so you feel like a strong and curved giant candy cane. Now bring your chest back down and rest onto your tummy. Christmas pudding pose, which is also child's pose. From lying on your tummy, walk your hands back so that you rest your hips onto your heels and your head can come down onto the floor or onto your hands. Relax your head and make yourself nice and round. Now you're a yummy Christmas pudding. Take a breath or two and relax here. Let all your worries go. Now bring yourself up to comfortable sitting. Well done. You have done some lovely Christmas yoga with me and I hope you're now feeling relaxed and joyful. Look out for our other yoga and mindfulness videos and I hope your day is twinkly.